Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce thicker. Simmer your sauce uncovered over medium-low heat and stir every few minutes to prevent burning. Keep the pot partially uncovered until the sauce reduces to a spoon-coating consistency. Taste as it thickens and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Finish with a splash of olive oil for shine and richness. In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce thicker. Make a smooth slurry by whisking cornstarch with cold water and slowly stir it into simmering sauce to avoid lumps. Give the sauce a few minutes to reach full thickness while stirring gently. If you prefer a richer mouthfeel, cook a flour roux with butter first, then whisk in the tomato base until it thickens evenly and tastes balanced. In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce thicker. Quick recommendation: if you batch cook or freeze thickened sauce, these leak-proof containers make transport and storage worry-free and mess-free. They stack neatly and keep flavors sealed so you can grab a ready jar for weekday dinners. If you want the exact container, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce thicker. Add grated Parmesan or pecorino to warm sauce and stir until melted to build body and depth. Blend roasted vegetables, like carrots or peppers, into a smooth puree and mix in for natural thickness and added nutrients. For a luxurious touch, fold in a small amount of cream or mascarpone that has been warmed and reduced slightly to avoid breaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.